my Z is not gone. It's still getting the supercharger put on. Shout out to Soho for not sending me the instructions for the damn supercharger kit and for ignoring 2 of my emails and ignoring my call. I called them and asked them right when they opened, hey, I never got the instructions. I emailed you guys over a week ago and you didn't send me the instructions. Can I please get an email of the instructions? Oh yeah, sure, we got you. I waited all day. They didn't send it. So I called the day after and they said, they sounded annoyed that I called them. It's like, bro, how are you gonna send me like a $6,000 supercharger kit and no instructions? And like ever since after like I got everything, they like customer service with them has been awful. Like they don't care. Soho Motorsports really does not give a fuck about you if you're not trying to buy something. Even after you bought something, they don't care. So awesome. So thanks for the, you know, the 0 out of 5 stars customer service. But besides that, we're waiting for the Z to get boosted. It should be boosted this month. Auto 370Z, it is for sale. And the reason is because my best friend, he wanted to get just a newer car, get Carfax seats. He had his fun with the Z. I think he's had it for like 2 years now. So we're on the way to his house. I already know what he got. We're gonna get some pulls in it, a little walk around on it, maybe a few revs, and let me know what you guys think about it, and let me know what mods he should do to it, because this is going to be a car you guys are going to see on the channel pretty frequently, just like you saw the Auto Z. So we'll try to go back and forth between the two and maybe eventually go to Mexico with both of them. Still is in college, so we won't see it as much right now, but it's still going to be cool to show you guys. And when he comes back from college this spring, the Z will be boosted, and then hopefully his car, he'll have some mods on it maybe, or we can put some mods on it. But stay tuned for putting some mods on this car. So we'll put an exhaust on this car, some headers, maybe E85. So we'll figure out the plans for it, but I'll see you guys at his house whenever we get there.